There are over 45 types of mosquitoes that live in Maine. Although they live in different habitats and feed on different animals, all these mosquitoes have similar biology. Mosquitoes have antennae, long feathery sensory organs on the mosquito's head used to hear and smell because their eyesight is poor. A proboscis, a long jagged mouth part on the mosquito's head that is used to pierce the skin and suck out the blood. Mosquitoes have wings, legs, a head, eyes, the thorax, which is the part of the body that between the head and the belly, where the wings and the legs are attached, and an abdomen, the part of the mosquito's body that hangs from the thorax and serves as the mosquito's stomach and lungs. The first stage of the life cycle happens when the adult females lay their eggs in standing water. It is important to know that mosquitoes rely on water because removing standing water sources around your home can greatly reduce the mosquito population. The next stage is when the eggs are hatched into larvae, which also live in water. The larvae need to breathe oxygen, so they will live close to the surface. However, submerging the larvae for a short period of time will not kill them. The larvae develop into pupa, which also need to live close to the surface in order to breathe. Finally, the pupa develops into an adult mosquito, which comes to the surface of the water and spreads its wings. Once the wings dry, the mosquito can fly away from the water source. It usually takes about 2 weeks to complete the mosquito life cycle. Female mosquitoes feed on blood, which they do in order to reproduce. Male mosquitoes do not bite humans. Instead, they feed on plant nectar. Mosquitoes can sense the CO2 that humans breathe out and use it to find and bite us. Female mosquitoes typically live 2 to 3 weeks, but can survive up to 8 weeks in ideal conditions. The males only live about 10 days. Mosquitoes fly between 1 and 7 miles from their breeding ground, but generally they only fly as far as the nearest food source. Mosquitoes in Maine have the potential to carry dangerous diseases like West Nile virus and Eastern equine encephalitis. Reducing mosquito populations is important in preventing the spread of these diseases. For more information, please visit the Maine CDC website and watch our other videos on mosquito-borne diseases and mosquito habitats.